Welcome to the House Cleaners Training Program.
Hi there, I'm Sharon Tinberg, creator of Clean Smart Academy, where we turn ordinary people into extraordinary cleaners through the use of animations and edited manuals. So today, let's talk about why quality is the key to sustainable growth. Even as some cleaning businesses are wisely planning ahead today, many fall into another trap, compromising quality as they scale. If your cleaning service averages more than 2 complaints per 500 homes, that's a red flag. Shocked by that number? You shouldn't be. In fact, a well-oiled cleaning operation can achieve that standard consistently. This might sound ambitious to some, but it is more than attainable. It's the future of the industry. Back when I proposed that residential cleaning services could be sold over the phone, without in-home consultations, people thought I was out of my mind. Fast forward, and now it's standard practice, some online. Mark my words, the next paradigm shift will be in training. Soon, every cleaner walking through your doors will be pre-trained online and ready with only one room of shadowing and the rest of the day checking per area in the home. So in 3 days, they'll be able to handle clients on their own. In fact, many advanced companies are already doing this. If you'd like to join this group of emancipated owners, why not email me today, text me, or call me at the contact information below. I'd love to show you how this is done. Until then, happy training.